Hello, gorgeous. Welcome back to my channel. I have a special guest tonight.
It's me, Mario.
We're doing a Halloween video tonight, and I am not made up yet because I'm going to do my makeup after I do his makeup.
Yep.
So this is kind of like, instead of husband does my makeup, it's wife does my makeup. People have been asking for this.
Yeah, I think people kept saying, can your wife do your makeup? But I don't think they meant this. I think they just meant like drag makeup.
Yeah.
Which is, I don't know why you would request that, but.
Yeah. Oh boy. We're off to a brilliant start here.
Brilliant!
All right, so I am going to turn Mr. Lanter here into a wolf. The big bad wolf.
The big bad wolf?
Yes, because I'm going to be Riding Hood and you're going to be the big bad wolf.
Oh, we're like a duo.
Oh wait, is the big bad wolf the three little pigs? Little Red Riding Hood and
It's a different wolf.
I know, but which one's the big bad wolf? Is it the three little pigs or Little Red Riding Hood?
They're all big and bad.
All right, guys. Let's just get started.
Let's jump right in.
Jump right in. So for this tutorial, are you going to like walk us through the steps as I'm applying it, or like am I going to do that?
I'll walk you through my emotions.
Okay.
Look at that. You can see some grays coming through. Look at that.
Are you?
I'm getting old.
Okay, so that's the difference between men and women, because grays on men
I have a lot of stress
looks
in my life.
distinguished. Oh my gosh. What do you currently have on your face, Lanter?
I currently have nothing on my face.
You were made up today. You were
I wiped it off.
on set.
Well, after I get done filming, I use a wipe, perhaps two. I'll wipe with the wipe. And it's just a little like foundation, a little concealer. You know, we don't go crazy. Anyway, my face is clean. I don't have anything on my face.
Okay, that was a very long answer to get to that answer. So we're gonna do a little of this. This is a black
makeup
cream foundation from Ben Nye, and I'm going to draw on what will appear to be hairs. But see, you already have hair on your face.
Mm-hmm. But you gotta
So
do it differently.
Do like these flicky. How's that feel?
Oh, I got some in my eye.
Already?
Oh. Pause.
Well, can you just say...
There's a bug in here. My face is gonna look like it got put on a grill. I do look like my face has been put on a grill. Do you guys like the lovely Halloween background that we built? Lots of time and effort into that one.
We have a peanut gallery in here, guys, if you can't hear the laughter. What's in your hair? It's so greasy.
Gel?
I don't think I like it.
My hair was completely clean, but I put some gel in it for you for this tutorial because I felt like werewolves don't have fluffy, clean hair. I feel like they're out in the woods, like running around and doing werewolf things.
What's werewolf things?
Howling at the moon. Eating things.
All right. We're lined up pretty good.
Yep.
Pretty good.
Okay.
So I'm taking some matte black shadow. I'm
Yep.
gonna just fill in around the perimeter of your face,
All right.
like for some shadowing. I'm gonna blend it up towards the direction of the hair, so that it kind of fills it in.
I'm not gonna lie, you're a little garlicky.
I am? What did I eat? I had broccoli.
You tell me. Clearly garlic.
Do you want to make out?
So, approximately how long does this werewolf take to apply there, Mrs. Lanter?
Well, here's the thing. Miss Garlic Breath here, she's never actually done a werewolf makeup before. So
What? I thought you were supposed to be the guru.
turn towards me. You are my guinea pig. So if this turns out looking really stupid,
It's my face.
it's a
so
trial
who cares?
run. All right, so I already did one side of his schnoz.
Aww.
So we're gonna start on this side and work our way back up to the eyebrow. Can you turn towards me?
Yes.
So all I'm doing is taking my brush and making little hair marks, flick marks. And I'm not really worrying about the how thick they are or not, because as you can see, I blended it out with some black matte shadow.
The flicks aren't thick.
Okay, so now I'm gonna do the same thing up into his eyebrow. And just drawing them to look a little bit more fierce.
So Angela's gonna be doing makeup for people on Halloween night. So if you come over to our house, $20, she'll do your makeup.
Why are you like selling me like that?
I'm trying to do a little side hustle.
How do you feel about some like spackle going under there? Like,
Spackle.
yeah, like a little spackle.
You need to stop at the Home Depot. Shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark.
So, what's the verdict on the spackle?
The schmutz?
The what?
The schmutz? You want a schmutz under my eyes? You want a schmackle?
I wanted to do like a little bit of like.
You know what? I think less is more with this, so we're gonna forego the schmutz. I mean, look what you've done. Go for it. Now, this is just a slightly over-exaggerated version of guy liner.
It's like not even on your eye, so it's definitely not.
This werewolf got punched in the eyeball. Each one.
For somebody who has their makeup done a lot, you sure are blinking a lot.
You're literally sticking the sponge inside of my eyeball. On the wet part of my eye. You're literally touching pink to white.
You're being such a drama queen. No, I'm not. Just making sure that you have less harsh lines. That's all I'm doing. You can chill the F out.
Whoa. You always want to clean up as you go. What? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing so hard right now?
Because you were like a little bit doing baby talk right then. You're like, there's some sort of costumey.
It's not baby talk.
Okay. I'm messing up your lips so bad.
My lips are dry. What?
I'm dehydrated.
Yeah, I need to drink some water.
I get on you every single day for this. How does it feel to have your lips lined like this?
You make me feel. You make me feel. You make me feel like a natural werewolf.
Can you just like keep your mouth shut for 2 seconds?
Go. And now.
Stop! I can't. Stop doing that.
I'm literally sitting here waiting to get my makeup done.
Stop! Like you're messing me up so bad. I just drew outside of your lip. This is semi-permanent, so just so that you know.
What?
I need to touch that up.
Is this a werewolf?
I'm taking a little bit of Clown White.
Clown White.
Clown White.
Nice.
From Ben Nye, and I'm just adding a little bit of dimension here.
All right.
I don't want it to be too white, and some of it's a little bit too white, so we'll go back in and see. I don't want you to look like a zebra. You know what I mean?
I mean, if you had 2 parties to go to, you could do this and then throw some white on there and be a zebra for the next party. I mean, a zebra is just a gourmet horse.
That was the worst dad joke I have ever heard.
It wasn't a dad joke, it was just a bad joke.
Stop horsing around.
Stop horsing around.
Like, I like the idea of, or the adding a little bit of white, but like, if you could see up close, you wouldn't like it, because you're going to be like, it looks like I have grays.
I like what you did. I like what you did on the nose.
It feels like I'm just adding a little salt and pepper in here, and I like that.
Because I'm an old werewolf.
Because you're distinguished. You're a distinguished werewolf. You're the leader of the pack.
I'm a very cultured werewolf. I've seen a lot of things in my day.
Alright, and then I'm taking my brush that already had the shadow on it and just loosely blending it out so that there's nothing like stark. I don't want stark white. I just want like a little bit of dimension to your face.
Oh.
Do you feel good about that?
Yeah, I do.
Feel really good about that?
Real good.
Okay. I added a tiny bit of white to your lips off camera just because I felt like your lips looked so black. So I just wanted to tone them down a teensy tiny little tiny bit.
ASMR. And then you take the white pencil and just blend away.
Is this in the bloopers? Because this is not going to make the video, I hope.
This is prime content.
And a little bit of white to the inside of your eyes. Because I want to make it super hard for you to take your makeup off tonight.
Dare me to just go buy like baby wipes and diapers at Target like this.
I need you to like get your hair to like stand up. Like, how do we do that? I don't know men hair. Men hair. Man hair. Men's hair. Your hair.
All right, sit tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite.
Sleep tight.
I know, but I changed it. Done.
What else could I possibly do?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, your fangs.
I hope I don't eat these.
It would take a lot for you to actually go through the process of swallowing them.
That's for the bottom ones too. There you go. I feel like a panting dog. They match my teeth.
This is supposed to be a very serious Halloween tutorial, and somehow it's turned into like a comedy hour.
Well, they're not gonna sit on my teeth.
But let's
I'll just hold
try.
them. I'll just hold them all night at the party. What are you? I'm a werewolf. You're a hillbilly werewolf. Yeah, come on, let's drink some beer together. It's the best I'm gonna do. So if you want to be scary like me, then do this tutorial.
You just rubbed your nose.
I'm the worst at wearing makeup.
You just wiped your nose off.
No, it looks good. Look.
You're missing half of your nostril.
Oh, shoot, you're right. You've been smoking?
Oh gosh, I like can't even see. I'm like crying. I feel like I think we need to wrap this up. I mean,
All right, let's wrap it up.
your lipstick's half gone. Took
All right. All right, do the outro.
So this is the final look.
You ever get to this outro? Oh my god. Your lung. What happened?
Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't even know how to sign off right now.
Au revoir. You better get that checked out.